Let us start the exercise number 4 here. Let us see how to do this exercise number 4 from here. So suppose I want to compose this. See, these are the circles here. This is a square down, circle, 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 and all those are weld. So what I'll do here, what I'll do here, I'll go to the Corel Draw. I'll draw the square here. I'll take the square, I'll draw the square. On top, I'll draw the circles like this. One circle, I'll take it in a corner like this. Okay, second circle plus sign you can draw like this. Okay, and third, sorry, control Z, I'll take it in the corner like this. Okay, so after drawing this, highlight everything and say weld it. So when you say weld, it will be like this. You can see here it will be like this. Okay, if you want steel curve like this here, you can draw one more circle on top of this like this. If you want, you can highlight again everything and say weld it. You will get like this. Okay, so this is about this. Then you can put the color which one you want. Make one more copy by pressing plus sign and put different color in that. Okay, so this is about the first exercise. Everything is welding, so I'll delete this. I'll do it once more. I'll draw the square here. I'll take the circle. I'll draw the circle here, and I'll take the move tool, plus sign, plus sign. You can make a copies, number of copies you want, then highlight everything and weld it. Okay, so this way, then you make a copy and put the different color in that. Similar second one, this one, flower. I want to use this flower here, this flower. So again I'll draw the square like this, petal. I'll say control Q. I'll use the this one shape tool, double click here, remove this node, highlight everything, make it a curve. Okay, click on the line, pull it on top, click on the line, pull it, or you can say drag it this side and this side. Okay, remove these two lines, nodes, remove this one also. Automatically you will get one petal there. I'll do it once more. I'll draw the square like this, control Q. I'll take the shape tool, make one node here, make one node here, remove this one, remove this one, highlight everything, make it a curve, then pull this line up and remove these two nodes. Automatically you will get a pattern like this. Take this one and drag this down like this, so it becomes a petal of one. I'll put the red color in that. Okay, now I want a multiple like this, and I want to rotate. How many are there? Total 1 2 3 4 5 are there. So what I'll do, so remember how to move this. I'll show you the shortcut. So after drawing this petal, click once more inside, and the center point of this click outside, drag it outside. Understood what I did? Click one, again you click, and this center point you take it out. Then you make a plus sign of this plus and rotate. See, it will rotate as per that center point. Second one, plus, rotate. Okay, third one, plus, rotate. Fourth one, plus, rotate. Fifth one. Now you can adjust it. Click once more, slightly move here, click once more, slightly move there. Okay, so this is the way you have to compose. You can take it slightly closer, it is too far. You take it slightly closer to this. Okay. Okay, so this is the way you can, there are actually gaps are there, so you can give a gap there. Done. Middle there is what circle. So what I'll do, I'll take the circle, draw one circle in between this, and put what yellow color in that. So this is my flower. So then highlight everything and group it. So understood what I did? So I'll take the square now, the square, control Q, then I'll take the shape tool, click in between, remove this node, highlight everything, convert to curve. After converting to curve, this you take it on top and remove these two nodes and then you take the move tool and just drag this down, this one petal, put the color, then click once more inside this, and the center point you take it here and make a plus, take it this way, make a plus, take this way, make plus, take this way, again plus this. Okay, after doing this, take the circle, draw the circle in between here and put yellow color. Okay, so this is my petal. So highlight everything and group it, control G, control G, done. Now below that there is a stem here. Again what I'll do, I'll draw the square here. On top, control Q, on top I'll double click here, remove this node, remove this node. Okay, so then what I'll do, I'll highlight everything, make it a curve and just drag down here and remove these lines. So it is like this only, same thing, but you take it slightly away from here. Take the shape tool, click on the node and pull it slightly away. Okay, so like this. So what I'll do, I'll put green color and I'll just put it here somewhere. Okay, and then okay, I'll just drag it down here. I want to put this one again. I'll make a one more copy of this plus sign, reduce the size of this, rotate it somewhere like this and just put it here. So this is the thing what you can do. So you can highlight everything, control G, group it and put it here. Okay, similarly I want to draw some lines here. You can see these lines, these type of lines I want. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take the line. How to draw the line now? You take from here 2-point line, you keep the button press on this one and you take what, 2-point line here. If you want to draw the straight line, just click and drag and press Ctrl and Shift together, Ctrl and Shift together, make a small line here. Okay, then I'll zoom that area, make a plus copy of that, plus copy of that and just rotate it like this, just bring it down. Okay, make one more copy of that and drag it down, drag it down like this. Okay, so then you group everything into one, control G, group it. So this is what group. Then you rotate it and you can decrease the size of this, decrease the size and rotate it. You can keep it up to here, this type of angle. Okay, so okay, I want this type of angle. Okay, then you can give the color, right click on the color and give the green color and slightly increase the size of the line, here. Click here and increase the size of the line. Make one more copy of that plus. Okay, rotate it, make it straight again and put it here somewhere. Okay, and put different color, right click on the color in same size and make one more copy of this, put it here somewhere. Okay, it is the same thing, see. Okay, then highlight everything, group it, highlight everything, group it. Okay, after grouping, this is opposite and this is straight here. You make one more copy of the here somewhere. Okay, and ulta. So what I'll do, this straight, control ungroup, control U for ungroup this. Make this, these lines straight now. So make it straight like this, straight like this. And this line you rotate like this. Okay, get it closer to this. This I'll remove and I'll make one more copy of this and plus here. Okay, and highlight this, group it, highlight this, group it, control G, reduce the size of it, place it where you want it here somewhere. So you can do this type of things. Okay, you try it, control G, do it. Okay, next one, this also you know how to draw the box and do it as it is. I'll just show you this ice cream. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take the square, control Q, I'll take the shape tool, double click here, remove this and remove this. It becomes a cone like shape. Put the color which one you want. Okay, done. On top of that, draw one circle connecting to what? Draw one circle connecting to this point and say this point. Connected to this point. Okay, zoom that, connected to this point. Done. After doing that, just highlight that everything and say trim it. So you can see which one is getting trimmed. This one, I'll put the color here. Which one? I'll just say red color. I'll highlight this both and say trim. Which one is trimming? Backside is trimming, but I don't want. I want circle to trim. For trimming, no, you select the object whichever you don't want to trim first. That is this cone. Then you with the shift key, first you select the object whichever you don't want to trim. Then you select with the shift key, you select the object which one you want to trim. Then click on trim. Now see this. Oh, sorry. Select this and this. It is trim. Okay, one second. Yeah, not proper. So first I'll select this, shift key this and say trim it. Alright, one second. Select this and say trim it. Yeah. So first you select what? Cone, and then you select the circle and say trim it. Now you can see it becomes a one this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll here in the corner here, you can see small this thing is there. What I'll do, I'll draw the circle here. Draw the circles. Make copies of the circles like this, plus plus plus. Make copies small and bigger like this, connected to each other. Okay, then highlight all with this circle, highlight circle with this and weld it. It becomes weld, and put the color which one you want. So I want to put red color. You can see this design down there. Okay, okay, so you try to, and then you put a circle here and draw what line like this. You can use the line here, 2-point line like this. Okay, take the shape tool, right click on the line and say curve and give the shape, and you can put one circle here. Okay, and put some different color there. That's it. So this is my ice cream. Okay, try this ice cream. So like this, other things are very simple. This is this zigzag mode. How you'll draw it? You take the square like this, control Q, take the shape tool, go on marking one node here, one node here, one node here, one node like this, and one more some nodes here like this. Double click, double click, double click, double click, double click. Just pull middle node on top and this middle node on top, this middle on top, just middle like this, top. Okay, top and top. This one you make one more node here, top. So this is the way you can do that. Okay, this one, and these are the squares and all that. So you try all this exercise today.